Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your Instagram Reels video. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram Reel. I'm going to click on this plus button, and then I'm just going to choose this video. Okay, and if we want to remove the background noise of our video, we can edit the video using the Instagram feature. Okay, then you can click on add audio, and then we're going to use this enhance feature to remove the background noise from our video. I'm going to tap on that, and then we can make it 100 like this. I'm going to show you the result. This is my original video, and I'm going to remove the background noise of this video. Okay, then click on done. Okay, and I'm just going to go back. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and once you're ready to share your Instagram reel, you can click on this next icon and then click on share. Alright guys, so that's all the way to remove background noise of our video in Instagram Reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.